Hi students, today we can start new chapter, chapter 4, determinants. What is a determinant? In chapter 3 already you have studied matrix. We can write one matrix. Matrix A, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a square matrix with order 2. That means 2 rows and 2 columns. Then from this matrix we can find out one number. Okay. Related with this matrix we can find out using some method one number. That number is known as determinant. Determinant we will represent DETA. We can represent DETA, otherwise delta. Only delta. Then otherwise we will use third symbol is determinant of A, and then three symbols is there or DETA, otherwise delta, determinant of A, and we will write determinant this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, in matrix when you are write matrix you have to use square bracket, but when you are write determinant only 2 lines. Then in lower class you have studied 2x plus 4, 2 lines, 2x plus 4. This is a modulus. Okay, but this is determinant. What is the difference? In between 2 lines, if you are write one matrix, that time we will write determinant A. Then in between 2 lines, if you write any number or any variable, that time we will write that is modulus. That is the difference. Now we can see 1 determinant of A equal to determinant A11, A12, A21, A22. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, isn't it? Then here we have to find out determinant means just cross multiple. Just like you can write A11 into A22 minus, commonly we will write minus, then A12 A12 into A21. If you do this like, we will get one number. That is a determinant of this one. Then keep in mind, we cannot find out determinant of a rectangular matrix. We can find out determinant of square matrix only. This is square matrix because number of columns and number of rows are equal. Check it another one. Matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In here 2 rows, 3 columns is there, isn't it? That's why this is a rectangular matrix only. From here we cannot find out a determinant. We can find out determinant from square matrix only. We cannot use rectangular matrix. Keep in mind. Then this 2 by 2 matrix, from there we can find out this like. If you are use 3 by 3 matrix, that time also we will use little different method. Okay. We can see how can find out determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. One matrix. General form we can write A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a square matrix with order 3. From here we want to find out determinant. We can write determinant A equal to determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 equal to, how can find out? First take I'm going to use only first row. Using by first row, we are going to find out determinant. And then first element, that is A11. A11 into this first element, just leave it this first row and first column. If you consider this element, first element, that first row, first column, just leave it. Then remaining part only check it. Then in here, A22, just cross multiple this two. A22 into A33. A22 into A33. Then minus this two. A23 into A32. Then minus, next step is minus. First we use A11, next A12. Use A12, A12. If you consider A12 second column, this is second column, then first row, leave it. Second column and first row, just leave it. Then remaining numbers, that is cross multiple. A21, A21 into A33 minus these two numbers. A31 into A23. A31 into A23. Okay. Then using by this element also we did. Then use next plus A13. 13. Okay. If we use A13, that means first row, third column, leave it. Then remaining, multiple in here, A21 into A32, A21 into A32 minus this two, A31 into A22, A31 into A22. Then if you do this part, all the things, you will get one number. Maybe a real number, otherwise one complex number. Any number. Okay, real number or complex number we will get. Then another thing, in here plus. But second time, I written minus, isn't it? Then third one plus. Keep in mind, always we will start in here plus. Then this is minus. Then next will be plus. Starting from plus, plus, minus, plus. If you consider second row, look, plus, finish, isn't it? Again start, minus, plus, minus. Then minus means in here, plus, this will be minus, this will be plus, like that. This in between, that sign. Starting from plus, this plus, then after minus, minus, then final, plus, like that. Then I expand this determinant using first row. Then you can use second row also, same method. Third row also you can use. Otherwise column wise, first column you can use, second column, otherwise third column you can use. You will get same answer only. Then okay, this is like one determinant they given. In question they are not mentioned use first row or second row or third row. Okay, they are not mentioned anything, just find out a determinant. That time, which row we will use? If you use first row, you have to do 3 times. 1 into 2 into 3 like that, 3 times you have to do. What about second row? If you use second row, 0 into some numbers will come. 0 into that number automatically 0 only. Then remaining only 2. That means in this determinant we can use second row, isn't it? Because 0, one time no need to write. Then remaining only 2 steps only will come. Easily you can find out. Otherwise you can use first column. If you use first column also, in here 1 using by 1, you have to do 1. Using by 0, no need to do, because that second term will be, this part will be, in here 0 will come, this part will be automatically 0. Okay, that means This like question means you have to do using by second row, otherwise using by first column. Then another one. Okay, 2, 8, 4, 3, 4, 0, 3, 4, 0. Okay, 1, 4, 0, 1, 4. Another example. They are given this like a determinant. We have to find out determinant from here. What will do? What will do that? We will not use first row. If you use first row means 1, 2, 3 steps you have to write, isn't it? Then second row 1, 2. This step no need to write. 2 steps only. Then if you use third row 1, 2. This part no need to write. 2 steps. Using by column. First column if you are use means you have to write 3 steps like that. Then second column also if you are use 3 steps you have to write. Then third column. What about third column? If you use third column, second step and third step will be 0 automatically. In here 0 will come, in here will automatically 0. Then that part no need to do. Only one step. Using by 4. Do it. Just leave it. 4 into. Then multiple this 2. 3 into 4. 12. 1 into 4 minus 4. I will get 4 into 12. 4 into 8. 32. Answer will be 32. Check it. Given matrix, otherwise determinant, where is 0? In here, in third column, 2 zeros is there. That's why we will use third column for expansion of that determinant. You can use any row or any columns, you will get same answer. Now we can see exercise 4.1. Our first question, evaluate the determinants in exercise 1 and 2. Okay, question number 1 and 2, we have to find out a determinant. First question, determinant 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. Directly we can find out, just cross multiple, 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1. Then commonly we will write 1 minus this 2. Minus 5 into 4. Minus 5 into 4 equal to 2 into minus 1, minus 2 will get, then minus into minus plus 5 into 4, 20 equal to 20 minus 2, that will be 18. Then this is our determinant. Okay. We will get only one number, one real number, isn't it? After doing this part, we will get one number, that is determinant. Then question number 2. Check it, question number 2. There cos theta minus sin theta, then cos theta. This is second question. Let's cross multiple this 2. Cos into cos. Cos into cos, cos square theta. Isn't it? Cos into cos. Directly we can write cos square theta. Then common minus. Then sin into sin. Minus again minus is there. Okay, minus, right. Sin into sin, sin square theta. Cos into cos, cos square theta. Then commonly one minus is there. This is like common minus. We are written, isn't it? Then minus sin into sin. Minus sin into sin. Minus sin square theta. So then cos square theta minus minus plus sin square theta equal to, what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? That will be 1. Common formula, isn't it? In class 10 you have studied that formula. We can use sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now we can see question number 3. If A equal to matrix 1, 2, 4, 2, then show that determinant 2A equal to 4 into determinant A. First, we can do 2A. We are not going to take a determinant now. First, find out 2A. 2A equal to 2 into A means one matrix given 1, 2, 4, 2 equal to, using by 2 multiple all the elements. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 2, 4. we will get 2A equal to matrix 2, 4, 8, 4. Then after, find out a determinant of 2A. Determinant of 2A equal to determinant of 2, 4, 8, 4 equal to cross multiple this 2. 2 into 4, 8 minus, directly I am going to do, then 8 into 4, 8 into 4, 32 equal to 8 minus 32 is minus 24. Determinant of 2A we got minus 24. Now we can do 4 into a determinant of A equal to 4 into determinant of 1, 2, 4, 2 equal to, using by 4, don't multiple inside. Okay. Then in the case of matrix we can multiple, but in the case of determinant, all the using by 4 just multiple all the elements, that's not possible. Okay. Now we can see 4 into 1 into 2, 2 minus 4 into 2, this like okay. 4 into 2, 8. Then 4 into 2 minus 8 minus 6 equal to minus 24. Then what do we got? Therefore, determinant of 2A equal to, determinant of 2A we got minus 24, isn't it? Then 4 into determinant of A, that also minus 24. Both answer is equal, isn't it? Then hence true. That is our answer. Keep in mind, using by 4, don't multiple all the elements in here because this is determinant. But in here, this is matrix only. In the case of matrix, we can multiple each and every element. Okay, but in the case of determinant, we cannot multiple. Okay, some properties is there. Using by that properties only, we can multiple. Afterwards, we will study. Not in this exercise. Now we can see question number 4. If A equal to matrix 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4, show that determinant 3A equal to 27 into a determinant A. Now, first we can see 3A. Now 3A. Find out 3A. 3A equal to 3 into A means 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4 equal to 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3. Then 0, 1, sorry, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6. Then 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 4, 12. We got 3A equal to 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 4, 0, 0, 12. Now find out a determinant of 3A. Yeah, right. Determinant of 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12 equal to, check it in here, we can use first row, second row, third row. Otherwise, first column, second column, third column. Anything you can use. Which one we will use? If you use first row, 0, one time we cannot do. This 2 times we have to do. Then if you do second row, that time also 2 times you have to do. If you do third row, that time only 1 time. You will get directly answer. Then in the case of column, if you use first column, that time only 1. Okay, we can use first column. Okay. Then first write 3 into this one. Okay. Leave it to first row and first column. Then remaining 3 into 12 minus 0 into 6. Then remaining part no need to do. If you do 0 minus 0, whatever you are doing, you will get 0, isn't it? No need to do that part. Equal to 3 into 0 into 6, 0. Then 3 into 12, 36. 3 into 36, is 108. Then determinant of 3a we got 108. Write in bracket expansion using by first column. We did expansion using by first column. Now next step is 27, determinant of A. Determinant of A. We can write 27 determinant of A means 101 012 004 equal to 27 into using by 27 don't multiple. Then in here also we can use first column because 2 times are element the zeros, isn't it? That is why we can write 1 into first column first row, just leave it. Then remaining 1 into 4 is 4 minus 0 into 2, that will be 0 equal to 27 into 0. No need to write 1 into 4 isn't it? 27 into 4 multiple 27 into 4 you will get 108. And into LHS that time 108 got it. Now also 108. We can write determinant of 3a equal to 27 determinant of A. This is our answer.